Okay, grade 1. Okay, so we will have our last lessons for today. So we will have 2 lessons for this day. And at the end of the video, you will do your activity for math. So yeah, last time that we have lesson for math, we learned about the capacity. So we measure the mass, or we measure mass according to kilo or the gram. So we use gram, can be used as unit for the light objects, and kilogram is the standard unit of measured mass, or we use that to the heavy object. So pag light object, grams. Pag heavy object, that is kilograms. So let's go for the lessons for today. So measuring area. So what is area first? The area is the size of the surface of a flat figure. Area is measured in square units. So in this case, we says that we measure a flat object or a flat surface in squared units. So in this photo or in this figure, so this is a square or rectangle, okay? So we will count every square that the flat surface has. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we have 12 square units. So the area of this surface that we have in our screen is 12 square units. How about this one? Okay, can you count the area, the square units of this figure? Okay, so we have 14 square units. How about this one? Okay, good. That is, there is 6 square units. So madali lang naman, you will count all the square that you see inside the square or inside the surface area or the flat figure. How about this one? So we will count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So yung gitna in the middle is not included kasi hindi naman siya kasay. So that is 12 square units. How about this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 square units. So it's easy. Now let's go to the second lessons we have. Second lesson we have. So measuring capacity. Okay, now the amount of container can be hold is capacity. It's capacity. So you see the bottle of soft drinks, bottle of water, your container, your water container that is holds its capacity. Okay. So do you hear the word ml or milliliters and liters? Those are the measurement that we use for measuring capacity. A bigger, a bigger container has a greater capacity, like our pail, the big bottle of soft drinks. So that is the greater capacity. Then the small container is that has a smaller capacity. So capacity can be measured in liters. So kapag malaki or great or big yung container natin, we can use liter for bigger container. Or for small container, we can use milliliters or ml. Okay, yung mga small bottled water natin, if you see, merong 330 ml, may 500 ml. When we see the Coke liter or the 2 liters Coke, that is the big container. Okay, for the ketchups, for the bottle of ketchup, mostly what you will see, liter or milliliter, L or ml. So that is a small bottle, that's why we use ml. Okay, how about the pail? Yung timba sa CR natin, what do you think that is measurement? That is a quite big container. Liter or ml? Of course, that is liter. Okay, how about the box of juice? The small box of juice. Saan baon nyo? Okay, liter or ml? Okay, very good. That is ml. How about the bake scene? Ayan, pinaglalaban ng inyong mga mommy. Okay, so liter or ml? That is liter. Okay. How about the pail of paint or a big can of paint? Liter or ml? Very good. If your answer is liter, that is correct. How about the soda can or the Coke in can? Liter or ml? Very good. That is ml. Okay, so again, measuring area, you can count only the square that you see in a flat surface. And measuring capacity, you are going, we measure the container or the capacity according to the size of container. If it's a big container, we measure it liter. When it's small container, we measure it ml or milliliter. So for your activity, please get your worksheet and turn your worksheet to page 14 and 15 for your last activity, and we will check that. We thank you and goodbye.